Hello guys, as you can see, last week on Monday and Friday these 2 days were bad because I told you about Trump impeachment, and that's why last week I did not trade. Okay, so why is that? The other Friday, not this Friday, but the other Friday, when I see that the market is calm, there is nothing happening in the market is not going up, it's not going down, it's slow, it's just because they are waiting for news from Trump impeachment. So that's why on Friday I sold all my shares, even my trading account, the one with my subscribers. I told them we should exit all the trades, and all the money is in the account, so I did not buy anything. Now last week I didn't buy anything, although I find some stocks. What is the reason? The reason is when you see you are in days of news, understand if it is good, yes, you can begin to make money because it will be the start of something good. But what if it is bad? You will see, like last Monday and last Friday, it means last week, the first day, which is Monday, and the last day, which is Friday, were bad. Now this week I begin to trade, okay, with Trump. Maybe he will be released, so there is no impeachment of Trump, and it could be good for the market, and I will show you that these 3 days were good. That's why I begin to trade. Okay, so I will show you. So now this Tesla, it is last Saturday, someone asked me about Tesla, and he told me, can we buy Tesla now? It's good. I'm telling you guys, I told to this guy, do not buy Tesla now because it has gone from here. Here the stock was 193 in June 4th of 2019. It means in 8 months, the stock from 193, it goes to nearly here to 968. Yesterday. It means on Tuesday. Okay? So do you know, it's like 450% in these 8 months. So the guy, it was here, Monday. Yes, on Saturday, it means here, it means between this gap up here and between this one for this week, he told me, oh, can I buy Tesla? It means you see that the stock has gone too much, and then you are going to buy at the end. Which strategy is this? This will never be my strategy. I will never buy from the top when I see the trend. The trend should be not apparent, because any stupid person, okay, this I tell you very, very, very clear. Any stupid person wants to buy from the past. It means you see a very long trend, and you see that analysts speak about this stock too much. Wherever you go online, they say, oh, Tesla, buy Tesla, buy Tesla, buy. But you understand that it is the end of the trend. And you tell me, how do you know? Well, it's 450%. It means if you put 10,000 in 8 months, you will get $45,000. Do you understand? So only the stupid person, most of them who always watch these analysts, and they love them too much, and some they are like defending them. They say, oh no, don't speak bad about analysts. They are good. Okay, they are good. They ask you to buy. So you see what happened to Tesla today? In one day, it lost $150. 17%. Man, 17%. It's not a gap down. No, it is just a regular day. 170 something. So I will go to the chart. It says here $152. It means 17.18%. So you want to buy where the people are selling. Most of the people are selling because they get a large profit. Okay? Now let's go to, guys, when you see a very long trend, try to, because when you see like this, you see like here, you say, okay, I buy, it's good here, well, why shouldn't I buy? Okay, but try just to see the trend. How long does it take? So here, for example, before the gap up, it was 254. 254 to here, which is 969. This is nearly 300%. It's useless to buy. Now, what did happen these 3 days? If you go to the Dow Jones, 3 days are very, very strong, especially today. Okay? But you can see this is here. Do you see Monday? I sold my shares here. All my shares in the stock market, all my stocks, I sold them here on Friday. How do I know about this? I don't know. But because the market was not looking good, so I sold. And a few days good, and then it collapsed again on Friday. But these 3 days, I begin to buy. Okay? Now, Russell 2000 is the same thing. The same thing. SPY, it's the same thing. Now, for gold, it's still good. It's still good. It goes down a little bit. It goes up again. It goes 2 days. Understand that gold and silver are opposite of the stock market. When the stock market goes up, gold and silver go down. This is something that happens. I don't know why, but it goes down always. So silver also goes. These 3 days goes down. The last day here is nothing. Okay. So as you might see, this is the thing about news. When there is news that it is coming, or you know it is coming, understand that it is a big risk to stay and hold stocks. Now, if you are an investor, no. If you are an investor, you invest for stock for 10 years or 20 years. You don't have to exit at each news, or because sometimes there are good news. Sometimes you are sitting like this. We have a gap up because of the news. So it's very good also to stay. But when you are you are investing, understand that you have gap ups, you have gap downs, and it's good. Sometimes good, sometimes bad, but you get the average. If the market is good for you, you will make a lot of money by investing. But for swing trading, you are staying for a short time. Even if it is 2 months, 6 months, or 8 months, or 1 year. This is a short time. So if it is a short time, when there is a gap down or gap up, it influences your percentage. It influences. For me, most of the time I exit. Except when there is a gap up, a very small one, I don't exit. If there is a small gap down, I don't exit. Because it's not a big deal. But sometimes the gap up and the gap down is very, very big. So be careful. Okay? So next Saturday, if God wills, we have our live. It's always at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So we will speak about penny stocks this time. So if you have questions, or you want to know the difference between penny stocks and the normal stocks that we trade, please have your questions ready, or send me an email. I will be happy to help you. and we will have a discussion and a hangout on YouTube on at 9 o'clock on Saturday, as always, Eastern time. So be careful of the time, Eastern time. If you have questions, just ask, okay? So thank you very much and see you next time.